there! Great to have you watching! In this episode for you, 48 minus 48, which equals 0, times 48 minus 48 equals 0. Now we have this problem, 0 times 0, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, we must do the multiplication and division, then do adding and subtraction. So first we do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this multiplication, 48 times 48 equals 2,304. So we have 48 minus 2,304 minus 48, and we have two subtractions. According to the order of operations, we do this subtraction, then this subtraction. So 48 minus 2,304, which equals minus 2,256. So we have minus 2,256 minus 48, which equals minus 2,304. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to subscribe and like.